Motion sensors are used in everyday devices such as lighting and automatic faucets. This reference design, high precision, extracts weak signals from pyroelectric infrared sensors by amplifying them with the low-noise op-amp TC75S67TU. Detection status can also be visualized using Arduino and PC display. Pyroelectric elements detect using the pyroelectric effect, where temperature changes from infrared rays generate a potential difference. In other words, signals appear when infrared changes equals when a person moves, and detection is difficult when stationary. The output of pyroelectric infrared human detection sensor is very weak and mainly consists of low-frequency components corresponding to human motion. This design targets components in the 0.34 to 23.4 Hz range, configuring a two-stage amplifier circuit and filter to extract detection signals while suppressing unwanted noise components. Low-noise op-amps have characteristics such as low input conversion noise voltage, low 1/F noise, and low input bias current, making them increasingly common in sensor peripheral designs. The same applies to human detection. We show the features of the human detection sensor. Operates at 5 volts with Arduino connection, with control and display from PC. Detection range is approximately 7 meters. Uses Murata Manufacturing IRA S410ST01 for the pyroelectric sensor, IML0687 for the lens, and incorporates TC75S67TU in a two-stage configuration. This is the overall circuit. The pyroelectric sensor signal is amplified and band-shaped in the first stage, further amplified in the second stage, and output to the microcontroller. The two-stage configuration enhances the removal of unwanted components while retaining necessary frequency components. The first stage performs 40 decibels, approximately 101 times non-inverting amplification with TC75S67TU. Simultaneously, a 0.34 Hz high-pass filter and 23.4 Hz low-pass filter are configured to pass components corresponding to human motion while suppressing low-frequency and high-frequency noise. The second stage is inverting amplification at 26.6 decibels, approximately times 21.3. Combined with the first stage, the total amplification is approximately times 2,121. By having the second stage also include a filter with the same cutoff, the removal of unwanted components is further enhanced. TC75S67TU has low input conversion noise voltage and suppresses noise on the low frequency side, making it advantageous for amplifying weak, low frequency signals like those from pyroelectric types. Furthermore, the low input bias current, which often eliminates the need for offset correction resistors, also contributes to noise performance. This is a reference design intended for pyroelectric infrared sensors used in human detection for security lights, automatic lighting in restrooms and entryways, automatic faucets, and more. Guides, circuit diagrams, board, PCB information, and sample software needed for design are also available, so please make use of them in your designs.